Welcome to World Explorers. Today, we're diving into one of the most diverse and fascinating continents on Earth, North America. From icy tundras to tropical beaches, megacities to ancient ruins. This land is bursting with stories waiting to be told. Where is North America? North America is the third largest continent, stretching from the Arctic Circle in the north to the tropical rainforests of Central America. It includes 23 countries, with the largest being Canada, the United States, and Mexico. Iconic cities. Let's start with the cities, hubs of innovation, culture, and history. New York City dazzles with its skyscrapers and Broadway shows. Mexico City, once the capital of the Aztecs, pulses with life and tradition. Toronto is a beacon of multicultural harmony. And then there's Havana, with its colorful streets and classic cars. Natural wonders. Nature lovers rejoice. North America is home to breathtaking landscapes. The Grand Canyon in the U.S., Niagara Falls on the U.S.-Canada border, and Mexico's Copper Canyon. All leave visitors speechless. In the north, Canada boasts over 2 million lakes and vast forests. While Central America teems with volcanoes and lush jungles. History and ancient civilizations. Before the skyscrapers and highways, ancient civilizations thrived here. The Maya and Aztec empires built massive cities, temples, and pyramids in present-day Mexico and Central America. Further north, indigenous peoples such as the Inuit, Iroquois, and Navajo cultivated rich traditions that continue today. Food and culture. North American food is as diverse as its people. Tacos, burgers, poutine, jerk chicken, and empanadas, every dish tells a story. Music and festivals also flourish here. Reggae in Jamaica, jazz in New Orleans, and Day of the Dead in Mexico. Wildlife and ecosystems. The continent's wildlife is just as rich. From polar bears in the Canadian Arctic to jaguars in the jungles of Belize. The Everglades in Florida are home to alligators. While the Sonoran Desert teems with cacti and coyotes. Challenges and future. Like every part of the world, North America faces challenges. Climate change, inequality, and urban expansion. Yet it also leads in technology, education, and innovation, offering hope for a brighter tomorrow. From the frozen north to the sunny tropics, North America is a continent of contrast, resilience, and wonder. Have you explored it yet? Let us know your favorite North American destination in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time, right here on World Explorers.